Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get proof of account on the Capitec app. First, open the Capitec Bank app on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet before you continue. After logging in, you will arrive on the home screen of the app. Here, you will see your different accounts listed. Select the account you want to use for the proof of account document. In most cases, this will be your main savings account. Once the account opens, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots to open the options menu. A menu will now appear with several options. Find and tap on Send Account Details. This option allows you to send your banking details directly from the app. Next, choose how you want to receive the document. You may see options like email or SMS. It is highly recommended to choose email, because this sends a printable PDF version of your proof of account. After selecting email, type in the email address where you want the document to be sent. Double-check the spelling to make sure the email address is correct. Now tap on Send. The Capitec app will generate and send your proof of account document to the email address you entered. You can now open your email inbox, download the PDF file, and print or share it whenever needed. Thanks for watching.